Hello, welcome back to our channel. For those who are new to me, my name is Marcus. Last week I was sharing with you what trading psychology is about, and today I'm going to recommend to you two books which has helped me greatly in my past 17 years in trading. Now the first book is an easy read, and which is something which I will recommend to new traders to start off as. You can glance through it very quickly in a day or two. The first one is called Emotion-Free Trading. Okay, you can download this book from the internet, and this is the website in which you can go to download. It's a PDF file. Okay, download, read it. It will set you thinking and set you, at least to get you started off in trading, in getting the right mindset. The secret to emotion-free trading is divided into 3 sections, and they are very easy read. It shouldn't take you too long to do it. First section covers the skills that you need. This includes the right belief system, okay, setting realistic goals, etc. The second section are skills which you do not need. Okay, these are pitfalls of trading, what you should not do. Okay. The third section covers how to improve yourself. Well, having read section 1, section 2, how then do you proceed? Section 3 gives you some guide to it. How do you use your how do you do visualization? How do you apply psycho-cybernetics, for example? All right, so take a look at it. Well, after reading this book, if you seriously want to be a trader, okay, and to be successful in it, I highly recommend that you read the second book. This is by Mark Douglas, Trading in a Zone. Now this book has helped me tremendously for the last 17 years. I must have read this book, well, maybe half a dozen times or even more. Okay. Well, this book basically covers some very important components, and it basically is a repetition of what the secret of emotion-free trading is about. Okay, it covers something, there's some overlap in there, but it actually goes into more in-depth. Okay. For example, it's taking responsibility. Okay. Taking responsibility of your trades. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, you can't control what the market does. Okay? You can only control yourself. So you need to be responsible for the trades. No point blaming the market. No point blaming the rain today that dampens your trade, for example. Okay. Second one is belief. Having the right belief system is important. Okay. Do you have the right belief system in the market? Think like a trader. Okay, and this is what is important. Okay, how do you set yourself above the average trader? Okay. Creating a belief in consistency. Does your system work for you? Okay. Having a consistent thought process, having a consistent system, having having consistency in your belief system helps you to conquer fear, to conquer greed, okay, and to perform at your maximum. Okay. I hope that you have enjoyed the videos. Okay, and if you wish to leave any comments to see more other topics that you wish us to put out, please leave a comment below. Okay, remember to subscribe to us, click on the notification button as well. Thank you for your time.